Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, NexTutorial. And in today's video, I'm going to be walking you through the steps on how to factory reset or hard reset your LG Stylo 6 from Boost Mobile. This tutorial should work on any similar devices. Follow the steps, you won't have any issues, and this reset will go smoothly. So with these steps, you want to follow. First, make sure the device is completely turned off. So let's go ahead and turn it off by holding the power key. Once the device is completely off, there's two buttons you will need to press in order to get to the factory reset screen. So which are the power and the volume up key. When you press these two buttons at the same time, the device will turn on. Release the power key and press again and keep holding until you get to the recovery screen. Once you get to this recovery screen, what you want to do, you want to use the volume down key to scroll down to yes, then press the power key to confirm. Same thing here, you want to do the same step, scroll down to yes, press the power key to confirm, and the device will start the reset and formatting everything and deleting everything off the device. This is it guys, concludes our tutorial for today. If you found this video helpful to you, make sure to hit the like and subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys for watching.